Today's October 27th. I'm using my DBC-1, my long tail walk telescoping rod. That's what it looks like in its compact state. Using the 2.5-inch Slim Swims, the 16th ounce jig head, using 4-pound sniper. And do you think I changed the line since the last time I was out? I have very little line on here. It is what it is. Okay, I'm going to put it together for you. I just pull these out like this. These other guys are floating. Slide it back. Slide it back. So my count is 357. My goal is to try to get to 365 for the year. I need 7 more fish. I like this little area down here that produced some fish on me the other day. Be quiet. See you. It's a little early. Oh wow, I just saw some pull away. There is some fish in this area. Yeah, that's why I gotta be quiet. There we go. Just kind of fancy. Oh, chubby one. An odd body on this guy. He's bulking up. 358. Bottom of the lip right there. See there? That's him. Chubby fish, good release. There he goes. Oh, I didn't have enough line on my rod. I went home and I spooled on my aldebaran. I think it's over spooled. I normally don't spool it up this high. I had a partial spool. I should have split it in two, but whatever. Aldebaran BFS 22, 4-pound Sunline sniper. I'm using my old Windshadow fiberglass rod. And the crappie magnet is 16th ounce. I was out earlier, but I didn't have enough line on the rod. My GoPro's acting up, so let's see how we can do if this GoPro keeps acting up. Well, I've been to 2 other spots and nothing. We've had a cold front that came through yesterday, and the overnight temperatures dropped pretty good. They're not in their usual spots. This will be my last spot for today. Using the aldebaran. I think I got it dialed in. I'm just not used to it because I'm used to having the DC, that whizzing sound that it makes when I cast, and it's quiet. So I think I got it dialed in though. It's over spooled. I might have to take some line out for it and transfer it over to the DBC-1. But we're back on the river. Let's see if we can get it in here. Got into one. Oh, it feels like a nice one too. See his back. Right now with his back. It's a smaller. Respectable size. This fiberglass rod is pretty decent. It absorbs most of the shock. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. Where's my boots? Oh yeah, I shouldn't be picking him up like that, but oh my god, yeah, he's a decent one. $3.59. Pick them up from the bottom. Sometimes when you pick them up from their stomach area, they tend to roll down. He took it in deep. It's on his tongue. I'm gonna have to get my fingers in there. Yeah, I got it out. I think I did. On that crappie magnet, look at the size of this guy. Let me put my rod down. Let's bring up my reel. Nice Fox River Smallie. Look at that. He's a decent one. Not bad. $3.59. Beautiful looking fish. Let's get him back in. There he goes. There we go, got into another one. I actually saw that one. Oh, not bad. I was actually kind of upset here. I was feeling down. I couldn't get into any fish. I figured I'd work the rocks. 360. 5 more fish to hit my goal. I'm using a crappie magnet in white chartreuse. A 16th ounce head. Trying to get used to this rod. It's fiberglass, so I'm kind of working on my roll casting. I'm letting the rod kind of like. Oh wow, that was another one. Let me get back to fishing here. 361. He's not. He's the smallest one of the day, but nonetheless, he's a fish. There he is. Nice looking jaw colors on this guy. 361. I think what's holding him in there's some boulders and like a tree down in there, so it's kind of like funneling the water in this little spot. And I think they're hanging around in there waiting for an easy meal. I'll work this spot a little bit. Hopefully they don't fall. Rod right here, this fiberglass rod, it keeps them pinned. Unlike the graphite ones. Oh, yeah. It's not a giant, but he's a nice one. 361. There he is. See, I was feeling pretty bad about myself. I'm like, I must suck. I can't even get into a fish today. 361. Here he is. I'm using a whole new setup, so I gotta get used to using the fiberglass rod and the aldebaran BFS. I'm gonna continue working this little ripple area. call it a day. I'm at 361. I need 4 more fish to get my call for the year. It's a little chilly down here in the shade. I'm gonna call it a day. That's the things I have to do. So I'm actually glad I came down here because I thought I was gonna get skunked. Well, I didn't get skunked earlier. I caught a couple fish, but I went to 2 other spots and they didn't produce anything for me. I'll call it a day. It's a wrap.